Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg fried rice like fast food at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and understand the foundation. The secret to perfect fried rice is using day-old, cold rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. Having all your vegetables and sauces prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and quick. Also, ensure your wok or skillet is incredibly hot to get that signature smoky flavor. This preparation sets you up for success. Now let's get cooking. Begin by scrambling 2 large eggs in a tablespoon of hot oil. Cook them until they are just set, then remove them. Next, add your cold, cooked rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry the rice continuously for about 3 minutes, ensuring every grain is heated through and separated. This step is crucial for achieving that light, fluffy texture we all love. With the rice and egg cooking, it's time to infuse some amazing flavor. Stir in 1 cup of your preferred mixed frozen vegetables. They cook quickly in the hot pan. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of white pepper for that classic savory sweet balance. Finally, a dash of sesame oil, about 1/2 teaspoon, will give your fried rice an irresistible aroma and depth. Mix everything thoroughly. We're almost there. Now, return your scrambled eggs to the pan, mixing them thoroughly with the rice and vegetables. Continue to stir-fry for another 2 minutes, ensuring all the ingredients are piping hot and beautifully combined. The aroma filling your kitchen will be incredible. Garnish your homemade fast food style egg fried rice with fresh chopped green onions and serve it immediately for the best possible taste and texture. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.